If you ask me, should you start a YouTube channel this year? My answer will be, hell yeah, go ahead and start a YouTube channel. And here's why. Now, I want to be very transparent with you. My channel currently is not monetized, but I've been making a lot from my channel, and I'm about to reveal that to you. Now, the thing with YouTube is that when you start coming up with ideas, when you start brainstorming and researching ideas to do your video, when you start outlining the content of your video, it helps you. And for me, what I've really gained here is to be able to structure my thinking. Right? I know how to do something. I understand something. I've done something to see results out of it. But how do I reproduce that in a way for other people to understand and follow through? That helps me, or that has been helping me structure my ideas or the ideas I have in my mind. And then when I created my YouTube channel some years ago, I've never taken it serious until now. Last year, I posted about 12 different videos, but I ended up deleting almost all of them. It was left with about 4 or 5. And that 4 or 5, when you look here on my dashboard, has generated over $13,000. Now, how did I make this money? Very simple. I talk about how people can freelance on Fiverr, and then I put a link to my online course, and then people will click on that and purchase my course. Very simple. I have tried marketing my course with Facebook ads on TikTok, and it worked very well. On TikTok, I was constantly posting videos. I was doing live streaming. On Facebook ads, I was spending money on art and stuff like that. But here on YouTube, I don't have to live stream. I record a video, put it down, talk about my course, show people that I'm getting results on Fiverr and I can help them get results. And then that's it. People find my link and buy the course without me knowing them. That is what or how I have been benefiting from YouTube. And I don't know about you. Maybe for you, you want to cash in on YouTube ads, partner program and stuff like that. Yes, you get there. My channel is not monetized with that yet, but very soon I'll be getting there and I'll monetize my channel. So my goal this year is to make sure that I produce at least 2 videos every single week. I don't want to stress myself with 4, 5, 10. I'm not a guru in creating videos for YouTube, or I'm not a guru YouTuber, but I believe that I have a purpose to help people understand side hustle, freelancing, entrepreneurship and stuff like that. So as I move forward, every week I want to create 2 videos. I have come up with all my ideas, and day by day I build on the outline for each video topic. So that's it. If you're finding out a reason, if you're researching or looking for a reason to start your YouTube channel, go ahead and start it. And there are so many other videos here from people telling you how they started your YouTube channel, why they started, and the benefits they've had so far. For me, it's helped me restructure my thinking and to be able to come up with ideas for people to also follow through. It's also helped me generate some income from my online course. A lot of people have found my online course and have bought it. I've generated over 1,006 leads, and I've generated around 13,000 from that. So yeah, very soon my channel will be monetized and I'll be making money here on you. That's why you need to subscribe. That's why you need to subscribe and watch my videos so that I get more watch hours. So that is my reason for you. If you're finding a reason why to start a YouTube channel, I would say go ahead and start it. So that is it. If you want to ask me, should you start a YouTube channel? My answer is yes. Go ahead, take the risks and start a YouTube channel. I don't have a fancy setup. I use my phone. I have a small light here that is pointing at me very bright on my eye. I have 2 RGB lights here on the side and my home office. Nothing fancy. All that matters is your audio is very good. I'm recording my audio with this 5th line. I'll put a link in the video, 5th line microphone. And then I think it's Audacity. Yeah, Audacity is recording the audio. And then I use CapCut to edit. I don't know how to edit very well. If you watch my videos, it's just basic editing. The other videos that had fancy animation and illustrations, somebody actually edited them for me. But then I realized that if I can do normal videos like this, do cut out the errors and just get my video, my content out there and then speak to it, I don't need to spend $150 to edit a 10-minute video. That's money I might not have right now for this channel. But if I can do video, share my knowledge, share my ideas, share my experience, share my results, and help people also pick up and do the same and be very honest and be very frank and transparent with you like this, I don't think I need to come up with animations and fancy things to get you to believe or to watch or to learn. So you can get started with your phone. Don't overthink this, right? If you're not comfortable with lights like this, you can shoot your videos outside if you have a nice environment. And what I've realized is that most people don't really care about your setup so far as the content of the video is good, so far as the audio is clear. People will go ahead and watch your YouTube video. So go ahead, start your YouTube channel. The benefits are enormous. I know there are a whole lot of benefits I'll be reaping from my channel very soon, and I need you to go on this journey with me. Leave any question, what do you want me to do next about my journey on YouTube so far, freelancing, starting my agency, entrepreneurship, and anything that you want to know about business. I have some knowledge, I have some experience, I have some results, and I'll be willing to share them with you. See you in my next video.